Dear friends, in this video we will see how to create WhatsApp video call link. Actually, it is a new feature introduced in WhatsApp. Let us see how to create WhatsApp video call link. Just by clicking this link, you can able to make a video call in WhatsApp. Okay, let us see. Let us go to WhatsApp. So I am here, I am using WhatsApp Business. Now in WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp, go to call. Then there is an option called create call link at the top. Click that. Okay, this is the link. Anyone with WhatsApp can use this link to join this call. Only share it with people you trust. Okay, and this call type is video call. And this is the link. You can copy or you can share the link. I'm just sending the link via WhatsApp Business. So I'm clicking it. Okay, I'm sending it to one of the contact. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp video call link, and you can use this link to join any call or make any video call using WhatsApp. Okay, so this is the procedure how to create WhatsApp video call link. Thank you friends, hope you understood. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel iIntelligence. Thank you.